Alright, gotta go back to the store. Got the wrong fitting for the brake lines. Thought it was 3/16 tube fitting, but apparently it's not. It is something else. Alright, got back. I got flare tool for 1/4 inch. So the fitting I needed was 1/4 inch.
Alright, what we got going on? You got the right shit
Got the
now?
right fitting. Yeah. 1/4 inch.
1/4 inch?
Yeah. Alright, so a few tips that I learned when I was flaring. Make sure that you don't tighten down too much on the cutting tool. If you do, it could deform the line and then it could mess up your flare. Also ream out any extra material from cutting. That's about it. Let's go back to the next thing. Alright, first thing we did was we test fit the bed on top of the gas tank. Marked a hole of where the gas tank would lay the neck, and then we went ahead and pulled the bed back off. I drilled a pilot hole, and then we're going to finish out with the hole saw. So what we plan to do is where's that hole saw at? Take this hole saw, get it bigger than the hole so that we'll have a place to place the gas cap down onto. We'll weld in a piece down in around it so it'll sit flush. So this thing will sit down in it below these ridges here.
Let's beat this flat and put it underneath. Okay. And see what it looks like.
Okay. Beat it flat. Exhaust in.
Exhaust finished.
Alright, so that's it. That wraps it up. Everything came out good. As you saw, the bed liner on this truck is not that great. It's flaking off. I'll probably need to redo that, make it look a little bit better. Not bad for someone who's not welded before. I need to screw it down in the holes. Have the key to undo this. But all I need is to get some tapered screws. Probably some stainless steel so it doesn't rust out, and then screw it down. It should lay a little bit flatter. Here, Brody. Ready to go for a ride? Wanna go for a ride, buddy? Huh? Yeah? Come on, let's go for a ride.